This video shows how to buy shares of Preferred Bank. Preferred Bank is a U.S. regional commercial bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PFBC, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with a valid ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PFBC to find Preferred Bank. Confirm you select the correct listing that matches PFBC on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Ensure the company details match Preferred Bank before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, depending on your choice. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the demonstration link is in the description if you want to review the broker used for this example.